guys, welcome back to our channel. So we just got up from the hotel. Today is Saturday. We are going towards this way. We are stayed in the Nirmal and we check out that hotel. We just stayed for the last night for 3 to 4 hours. We slept. From here we are going to the Ghats road, and also 25 kilometers from here there is a waterfall. I don't know the place exactly. In the map also it's not there. So we are trying to explore this waterfall. But amazing, yaar. After the night ride, we slept like anything. Guys, this is the route, I think so. వెళ్తుంది కొంచెం లోపల వరకు. ఉందా జాగా? ఇంకా ఇట్లనే ఉందా? ఇట్లనే ఉంటే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. కొంచెం వెనక్కను. రైట్. This is going to be కొంచెం ముందుకు రావా? ఇటు వచ్చి నించో. ఇటు వచ్చి నించో. పడకుండా బండి ముందుకు వెళ్తుంటే ముందుకు రా. అర్థమైందా? అది ఇంకా పోదు, పోతుంది. స్కిడ్ అవుతుంది. ఇంకా పోదు. Oh my freaking jungle, man. So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is the next day. Last night we did a ride from Hyderabad to Nirmal. We stayed in the hotel. We checked out in the morning. Now we parked over the bikes over here, and this waterfall, only in the rainy season you would see the water, but there is no route map as such, because one of the guy who came along with me, he knows the way. So greenery, because last 2 to 3 days it was raining a lot. I think today there's no rain at all, so I'm excited. There's no much trek involved here. You can see this route. You have to follow this route, and coming to this place is like from Nirmal you have to come towards the Chincholi forest. The road is good. There are some patches, but once you are taking a right towards this ghat, you need to stop the vehicle. There is no sign mark over here, but come with the people who know the road, otherwise you will get lost in this freaking jungle. So I'll complete this trek and go to the waterfall and show you the view. See you then. So there you can see the waterfall. We are going over there. but to go there we need to cross all this big stones. Oh my god. There you go. ఇట్లా రావాలా? ఓ కింద నుంచి వ్యూ ఉంది. బ్యాగ్ ఇక్కడ జాతుంది, అక్కడ కాలు అక్కడ పెట్టు. So guys, be careful when you are coming to this waterfall. Little slippery, but you can manage it. Wow. After So guys, this is the Nirmal Ghat waterfall. Only during the rainy season you can see this water. There is a ghat road over here from top to bottom. The water will flow. So you can see this side. The water is going towards this side. So guys, waterfall is done. This is the first waterfall. So I did brush and the bathing over here. I didn't apply any soap, but the water was so good. But to come to this place, at least you need to have trekking shoes. Otherwise you will not be able to walk on this big rocks, stones. Chalo then, I'll end this vlog over here and see you in the next vlog. We are going to continue the series now. We are going to another fall from here 10 kilometers. See you in the next vlog.